Hello, welcome to TX Power Sports. Here we have a 200cc electric fuel injected golf cart equipped with LEDs, turning signals, 12-inch chrome wheels. Then you got the back seat back here, foldable, so you can make it into a utility cargo bed, or you can put 2 more passengers in the back. Also comes with LED brake lights and turning signals. You see here your heavy duty suspension, your exhaust, street tires. So you can see here you got your horn in the steering wheel, your forward, neutral, reverse, parking, lights on and off switch, high beam, low beam, and signal lights, and your override. As you can see here, you got your RPM indicator gauge. Once you turn it on here, you want to sit on it, push the brake with your foot, turn the key to the right, and there you see your RPMs, your miles per hour, your mileage, battery life, and your gas. I'll show you the LEDs in the front. You see that? This one doesn't come with the winch, but we do have other options that come equipped with one. If you want to give us a call at 1-877-214-4563, we'll be happy to help you. And check our other merchandise out at txpowersports.com. You also have a 12-volt port here for your chargers. Here, you lift the seat up, you can easily see the engine and your carburetor underneath the hood. So as you can see, you got your battery and your electronic components like your relay and stuff like that. And there's your brake fluid. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this item or any other item that we have listed on our website, feel free to give us a call. We do have the best prices. Give us a call at 1-877-214-4563.